With the nod of assent, Iona picks up the reins, in consequence of which layers of snow slipped off the horse's back and neck. Then what nod of assent means by saying yes, Iona picks up the reins. Reins means lagam of his horse, and due to that the snow from the horse's neck and back slips down. The officer seats himself in the sleigh. Sleigh means a vehicle that moves on snow, बर्फ में चलने वाली गाड़ी. Then the cab driver smacks his lips to encourage his horse. He utters some words in his mouth to encourage his horse. Stretches out his neck like a swan, sit up and more from habit than necessity, brandishes his whip. Then he sits straight and his neck is like a swan and sits up, and from as a habit he just brandishes his whip, means like a hunter, he is having something in his hand and he just whip it. The little horse also stretches its neck, bends its wooden looking legs and makes a move undecidedly. In the same way the horse also stretches his neck and bends its wooden looking legs and move undecidedly without thinking something. The horse just started moving. What are you doing, werewolf? Is the exclamation Iona hears from the dark mass moving to and fro as soon as they have started. As they just started, Iona just hears a voice from the people from the crowd that what are you doing, wolf? They are just scolding Iona. Then the officer says, where the devil are you going? To the right? You don't know how to drive? Keep to the right, calls the officer angrily. The person who scolded Iona, to whom the officer says angrily these words. Then what they see? That a coachman from a private carriage swears at him. Looks at him means a coachman was passing through there in a private carriage, just look at him. A passerby who has run across the road just now, who is passing through the road, and his horse nose rubbed his shoulder. That's why he was saying, what are you doing, wolf? After sweeping off the snow from his sleeve, he just say these words. Iona shifts about on his seat as if he were on needles, move his elbows as if he were trying to keep his equilibrium. Means now Iona just moved to the center of the seat. He just try to making a balance and gasp about like someone suffocating. Gasp means he is just breathing like we are suffocating. Who does not understand why and wherefore he is there. He does not understand because he is in grief. The reason of his grief we will learn very soon. He is in grief, he is sad, and he does not know why he is there. But scoundrels they all are, jokes the officer. One would think they had all entered into an agreement to jostle you and fall under your horse. After when the passerby moves from there, the officer says to Iona that what type people they are. I think we all are having an agreement, they all will come under your horse or you. He was just joking with Iona. Iona looks around at the officer and moves his lips. He evidently wants to say something, but the only sound that issues is a snuffle. He wants to say something to the officer, but just only one voice is there, that is snuffle. Snuffle means sneeze when we are having cold. What? Asked the officer. Iona twists his mouth into a smile and with an effort says hoarsely. Hoarsely means roughly. Iona then twists his mouth to the officer and with a smile he says, my son Barin died this week, that I lost my son this week. What did he die of? Then the officer asks that how did he die? Iona turns with his whole body towards his fear and says, and who knows, they say high fever. He was 3 days in the hospital and then died. God's will be done. He just tell the officer that he is having high fever, 3 days he is in hospital and the doctor says that he is dead. Turn round, the devil sound from the darkness. Have you popped off, old doggia? Use your eyes. Now again they heard one noise in the crowd. That is also for Iona. That use your eyes. What are you doing, the old doggy? Go on, says the officer, otherwise we shall not get by tomorrow. Hurry up a bit. Iona is just telling about his grief to the officer, but the officer does not pay any attention. He just say, go on, move, so that we, otherwise we will not reach by tomorrow there. Hurry up a bit. So I think till here the story is clear with all of you. The next rest of the chapter we will do tomorrow. I think it's enough for today. And one thing more, that I will send you the question answers of homework assignment that you will start doing in a separate notebook and also start learning these questions. Thank you and have a great day.